So what are we doing, Jazz?
Okay. Today we're talking about the Jetboil system that you can buy. It's a very expedient way of boiling water, essentially.
Yeah, so before we head into town to fix our brake system, we're making ourselves coffee. If that video's up, I'll link it. It'll be like over here or something, because I'm good at this. So, continue.
So when you order the system, you get your actual tumbler here, your water boiling pot. You've got your fins to evenly distribute the heat down there. Then you get the burner element. So it's a propane and isopropane, I think, mixture. And you've got your little nozzle, you've got your striker, and then you've got an adjustment for how much propane or how much gas mixture you want to come out. Just put that on there very gently.
And there is a little base that the container is supposed to sit on, but the fuel we're using here is not like branded Jetboil fuel.
That's all alternative.
Yeah, so it doesn't quite fit on that little base, but yeah, there's supposed to be a little base there.
Yeah, so you can buy other brand. The biggest difference between this tank and the actual official Jetboil tank, it all comes down to the mixture of the gases that are inside of it. From what I read online, the Jetboil tanks are much higher. It's essentially like you're running premium as opposed to mid-grade or regular. Is basically what it comes down to. Okay, so then Jetboil tells you that you always start your propane before you put the top on here. We're gonna turn it on a little bit.
Oh yeah. And she's lit.
They have little notches that you drop this into.
Drop and twist.
It takes less than 60 seconds for that to actually boil on the top here.
Yeah.
You can like basically instantaneously see the bubbles start to boil up.
I should point out that the water we have in there is ever so slightly above the fill line. I, of course, don't recommend going above, but we measured with our French press and it's just a touch above, so that's what we're going with, and we're keeping our eyes on it, so use outdoors only.
You can see it starting to boil.
Yeah, so if you're, maybe you don't want to be watching water boil, you can always sit here and watch these fins. So this is basically your time to boil. And as this orange travels up, once it gets up here, it's boiling. There she goes. Time to turn it off. Unlock it and give her the old 1-2. Yeah. So there you go. That's it.
It's a great little system.
Yeah. I mean, how long did that even take?
Less than 60 seconds.
Yeah, exactly.
It's a great little system. Maybe a little overpriced for what it is, but definitely is very, very handy to have around. Super easy to use.
Yeah, definitely. All right, cool.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. All right, we're gonna get on our way. We have brakes to fix. Thanks for watching.